In this video, I will show you how to delete a review on Glassdoor. So first I'll show you how to do it if it's your review and then if it's someone else's. So first, if it's yours, just go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture and then click on profile. Now from there you want to go to contributions and then here you will have your company reviews. Now here you can see it, so go and click on the delete icon if you want to delete it, and then once you click yes delete, the review will be deleted. Now if it is not your review but you still want to have it deleted, you can only do that if you have a valid reason, and I'll show you the valid reasons that there are. You cannot delete a review of your company because they had something negative to say if they were speaking the truth. So right here, for example, if I would like to delete this review, what you can do is click right there on the three dots and then click report. And then you need to choose a reason. So for example, if it violates the guidelines, it can be deleted, which you can read by clicking community guidelines. Or for example, it contains false information, or the same person has written multiple reviews. This review was written by management or HR. This review is for the wrong company. Or for example, I want to comment on this review, or none of the choices above apply, and you can write something yourself. Then once you click submit, Glassdoor will review it, and if they agree, then it will be deleted. So that's how to delete a review on Glassdoor. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.